First and foremost, I like to say that I proudly served this great country of ours in the United States Army Military Police Corps prior to coming into the civilian world as a law enforcement officer. And upon exiting the Army, I was blessed to be able to work with the Orange County Sheriff's Office and did so for about 30 years before I retired to assume this role here in Casselberry as the police chief. At Orange County, I was blessed with a number of opportunities, a number of different wonderful assignments, and obviously progressed through the ranks where I eventually retired as a major, as a division commander, overseeing approximately 300 and some odd people. So the different assignments that I had there varied from a detective to undercover narcotics to working internal affairs on 2 different tours of duty for about 8 years. The internal affairs job or function is to review allegations of employee misconduct, from a minor violation to a very serious violation, including an allegation of criminal misconduct. It's important that an agency has that function within it, regardless of the size of the organization, so that they can properly address any allegation that the community may have against any of its members. And when I was with the Orange County, again, we did a number of investigations from just minor misconduct to serious violations. Unfortunately, there are times when employees do conduct themselves inappropriately, and those investigations determine through the facts that they did, and then there's discipline that comes as a result of that. And in the IA function too, it's about also looking at uses of force. Right? They would review the incidents of any use of force application, regardless of whether it was a complaint made when an agency member does a use of force, just like here. When a use of force is deployed, documentation is made on it, and then it's reviewed all the way up to the chain of command. Just like with IA, then Internal Affairs would look at those incidents as well, as did the training unit, to determine whether or not there was something there that was of a concern or not. So even though there may not have been an external complaint made, internally there's processes and reviews in place to try to look at that and evaluate whether it was in fact a proper deployment of that force.